Welcome back. This is the Tutor Wizard. I'm Adrian. Please subscribe right here. You'll get notifications for this series and many others on our channel. Today, what we're doing is video 3 in the series of multivariable calculus. We're in chapter 1, partial derivatives, functions of several variables, and this lecture what we're going to do is level curves for functions of 2 variables. Then we'll define and start playing the same game. I may do some separate videos specifically in more detail on that, but functions of 3 variables now, x, y, z, and then level surfaces to try and picture what we now getting higher in this game where we can't actually draw these things anymore because we've run out of dimensions. Okay, so level curves is basically another way to visualize f of x, y is level maps, which is used by cartographers or map makers. They're also called contour maps, on which all the points of a constant elevation are joined to create what we're going to call level curves. For us, mathematically, what is our definition? If D is a subset of R2 and f is a function from D to R, a level curve of f of x, y is any curve with the equation f of x, y equals some constant k. Example 1 wants us to find level curves of the function z equals f of x, y, which is the same plane, 3 minus 2x minus y. For specifically, the values k equals 0, k equals 3, and k equals 5 to get a picture of what's going on here. What we're going to get is a family of parallel lines. How do we see this? What we're saying is a level curve for f of x, y is going to be the equation 3 minus 2x plus y equals k for some k in R. This is the definition of a level curve, f of x, y equals k. From this, we now go back to, because now you see that we have an equation of 2 variables, not 3, we can draw in hopefully a graph in the plane or a curve in the plane. What we're going to get, that's why they're calling them level curves. What we're going to get from this is solving for y. I get y equals 2x plus k minus 3. What those are straight lines, y equals mx plus b. Now for k equals 0, what are we going to get? When k equals 0, k equals 3, and k equals 5, say, what I'm going to get is when k is 0, we're going to get y is 2x minus 3 is that straight line. How do I draw that? The easiest way to draw this is when x is 0, y is 3, or negative 3, sorry. And when y is 0, x is 1.5. So we get this line. For k equals 3, we get y is equal to 2x plus 0. Again, what do I do for that? The easiest way to sketch that is when x is 0, y is 0. So this one goes to the origin, 0, 0. When x is 1, y is 2, 1, 2. And we get this line. And then finally, when k is 5, we're going to get y is 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2x plus 2. Again, the easiest way to sketch this is when x is 0, y is 2. And when x is negative 1, say, y is 0. So I get this one. And in fact, what we're going to get is a family of parallel lines for every k that we do. Good. Next question. Example 2 gives us another function of 2 variables, 9 minus x squared minus y squared, and it wants us to find a level curves for this function for values k equals 0, 5, 8, and 9. Again, what is the level curve? I write this down for myself, and you should too. Level curve for f of x, y is any curve which is this equals k. So 9 minus x squared minus y squared equals k. That's f of x, y. where k is any real number. This is what we're looking at. Good. From that, I again solve. What that says is that gives me x squared plus y squared equals 9 minus k. What that gives me is a circle with center 0, 0, the origin, and the radius is r equals the square root of 9 minus k. That's why I've cleverly picked these values for k. So they give us a nice square root. It doesn't have to. Doing that now, I run through k values and see what happens. What am I going to get? Circles, concentric circles centered at 0 with larger radii. Let's do that. Now I have an xy plane again. For k equals 0, that gives me what? K equals 0, k equals 5, k equals 8, k equals 9. When k equals 0, I get the circle x squared plus y squared equals 9, which is 3 squared. So the radius is 3, and I'm going to get 3, 3, 3, 3, and then we'll get the circle of radius 3. When k equals 5, we're going to get, remember, this is x squared plus y squared equals 9 minus k. When k is 5, we're going to get 4. So we're going to get x squared plus y squared equals 4, which is 2 squared. So we're going to get the circle of radius 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And we're going to get this circle. When k equals 8, we're going to get x squared plus y squared equals 9 minus 8 is 1 squared, which is, or 1, which is 1 squared. So I get the circle of radius 1, this one. And when k equals 9, I get x squared plus y squared equals 9 minus 9 is 0, which says they both have to be 0, which gives me the point 0, 0. If I didn't do a k, nice k value, k equals 4. K equals 4 would give me x squared plus y squared equals 5, which will give me square root of 5, which will be between 2 and 3, and I'll get this circle. Either way, we get a giant target, or concentric circles centered at 0 are the level curves of this surface. Please subscribe right here. You'll get notifications for this series and many more on our channel. See you next time.